Hi, my name's Marlene Adzima, and I'm the manager of the Red Rocks Communication Lab. This short video will explain to you how to schedule an appointment with one of our tutors using Navigate. The first thing you want to do is log into the Rock. Once you're in the Rock, you want to click on the link to Navigate Appointments. This will take you to the Navigate homepage. Once the Navigate homepage comes up, you'll see along your left a list of links. Click on the appointment link. Once you're here, you want to click on Schedule an Appointment. Now, you'll look at what department you'd like to schedule an appointment with. Click here and scroll down and click on Tutoring. Next, under Services, you click Tutoring. Then you pick the date you'd like to schedule the appointment. Click Find Available Times. This will pull up all available times. You want to make sure you scroll down here and choose how you'd like to meet. We're offering both in-person and virtual tutoring. If you're interested in an in-person appointment, you click here. Virtual appointment, you click here. In-person appointments are happening inside of the Communication Lab, which is in the library next to the circulation desk. In this example, I'm going to schedule a virtual appointment. Here, under Location, you're just going to choose Tutoring Services Comm Lab, and here you're going to select what course you want tutoring for. Next, you'll see here a list of possible dates and times along your right. These are all virtual times, so you'll see the dates where we have virtual appointments available. You click on the date you're interested in, then you'll see the information about the virtual appointment. When you're meeting virtually, that will be done over WebEx. So you'll see a WebEx link there in the details. You can then go on and choose email and/or text reminder. Once you click schedule, the link to the WebEx meeting will be emailed to you in the reminder so that you will have a link to it. I want to go back here just a little bit to show you what it looks like to schedule an in-person appointment, since you won't need the WebEx link. So if I X this back out, if I say I'd like to meet in person, I continue to go down, Tutoring Service Comm Lab Lakewood course, the same thing. And then I go up here and I choose an appointment time. You'll see here that this is a Comm Lab in-person appointment and the location. So again, you just schedule. You'll still get the reminder, you just won't get an email link to a WebEx meeting since it's in person. You click the schedule button and then you've scheduled your appointment. That's a short video explaining how to schedule an appointment in the Comm Lab using Navigate. Have a great day.